Congratulations to Davido. Davido bought a private jet worth $75 million. Cha cha, new private jet. Davido na baba, guy dey try. Him papa rich, him also rich. This is about three private jet wey Davido don buy now. And some people dey there wey say they go dey talk about the guy, say the guy Davido get money, forget. And if somebody dey do good thing, make we dey happy. No dey do bad belle. Say him papa, maybe him papa buy the private jet. Sam Clef, na bad belle dey do you, Sam Clef. You know say Davido be baba, Davido is rich, you know. Why you dey talk like that, say maybe na him papa buy the private jet, say na maybe him dey borrow am. Sam Clef, make your own papa buy the private jet, na make you use am. You no dey see the good things from Davido, na to just to talk about the guy anyhow. No be Davido do you now. No be Davido do you. Try to be happy with Davido, may God happy with you also. If somebody dey do good things, make sure that you happy so that your own go come. Sam Clef, I laugh tire when I see the message, the write up wey you write up, say about Davido, say na maybe na him papa buy the private jet, say na maybe Davido borrow am. Wetin concern you? If na Davido baba na him bought the private jet, if Davido use am, na him papa now. Why dey talk about the guy like that? I don't know why people dey jealous about Davido these days. It's too much. Congratulations to Davido, Baba Beji, Baba Twins.